Hey folks, Javan Bernakevitch here with All Points Design. That's allpointsdesign.ca. And today we're taking a look at the Oregon State University Permaculture Design template. Now, when we get to the template, one of the most important things that we have to learn is how to share this template for our fellow students, but most importantly for our instructor. So when you're finally ready, when you have your assignment completed, what you'll do is you'll go up to the upper right-hand corner, click on share. And we're going to skip this first bit and go down to this lower bit, get link, restricted. Only people added can open with this link. Now we want to change this to anyone with this link. And we want to change this to a commenter. This allows whoever's looking at your portfolio to comment directly on your portfolio, which is really useful because you'll get people to give you direct feedback within the portfolio. Once that's done, we have the copy link, but we're not quite done yet. If we're right at the beginning, we'll just share the link. But as you get further down in the assignment, you can see that there's quite a number of slides. So let's say when we get to week 2 and we get to base map, what we want to do is we want to share directly to this slide. So the first thing we do is we make sure that share is open. Anyone on the internet with this link can comment. If we copy this link, it's just a link to the entire portfolio. So we're not going to do that. Instead, what we're going to do is we're going to copy this URL. And this slide ID will take them directly to slide 21. Once we have this, we can either right click and copy, or we can Command V on our keyboard. And then we're going to go over to the assignment where this is going to be posted. Now this was assignment 1, so this isn't right. So we're going to go back to our discussion board. We're going to find the proper week. So this is assignment 2 or lesson 2, week 2, base map. And then down here, we're going to click on reply. This just means that we're replying to the entire thread. And this will create a brand new reply. And we'll say, hello, here's my week 2 assignments. Thanks, Javan. Now, there's a couple ways to do this. We can double click on assignments, and then we can go up to the link icon, and then we can right click paste, or we can Command V paste, click done. At this point, we've got our link that will go directly to our assignment and directly to the slide itself. The other way we can do it if we want is we can put the entire link in there, highlight that, and then again, click link and put in the link itself. Once we're done, we'll hit post reply, and now it'll post for our grader to take a look at. Thanks so much, folks. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video.